Jagirdar, welcome you all on behalf of Team NOGS 2021 for this innovative.
सारे डॉक्टर्स हैं तो सबको पता है, बट एक्चुअली मैंने कुछ अपने पेशेंट्स को भी बोला था, तो इसलिए मैं बिल्कुल शॉर्ट में थोड़ा सा बताती हूँ कि नॉर्मल ओवरीज जो होती है, जो आपके राइट हैंड मेरे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में दिख रही है, दैट इज द नॉर्मल ओवरीज, एंड पॉलिसिस्टिक ओवरीज जो आपके राइट हैंड साइड में है। सो वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है ऐसे हमारी ओवरीज दिखती है जब पॉलिसिस्टिक ओवरीज होती है। बहुत बार
can I interrupt you? Your audio is very low. Do you have headphones, or maybe you can go closer to the mic? Audio is really low.
Okay, right now abhi
better.
Okay, so difference between PCOS and PCOD?
नहीं, फिर से गया मतलब बहुत लो है।
फुल है मेरा ऑडियो। अभी
you're close to the mic na, that time it was good.
आता
better. This is time, and maybe speak a little louder.
Okay, fine. So according to WHO, PCOS affects 116 million women worldwide. तो हमें PCOS और PCOD के बारे में सही में सोचना चाहिए, और हम सबको पता है कि lifestyle is very important part in when we are talking about the treatment of a PCOS and PCOD. So the symptoms are irregular menstruation cycle, painful menstruation cycle, acne, extra hair growth on a face and body, weight gain, trouble losing weight, and fertility problem and depression. तो एज ए डाइटिशियन मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट होता है कि इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस एंड एक्सेस वेट बिकॉज ऑफ इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस. सो फटीग इज देयर, कॉन्स्टेंट हंगर पैंग्स बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं, उनको क्रेविंग होती है, कुछ तो भी मीठा खाने की इच्छा होती है. देन फटीगनेस है, माइग्रेन, एक्ने, एंड सो मेनी टाइम्स आपने देखा होगा कि यहाँ पे ब्लैकिश जो नेक होते हैं वो आती है. आई एम यूजिंग लेमन पर्सन क्योंकि मेरे कुछ क्लाइंट्स मैंने जिनको मतलब आईडी भेजी है वो भी है ऑनलाइन. तो
Meghna, your voice is really low. Do you have headphones?
नहीं
Earphones are?
नहीं आएगा, मेरा हेडफोन नहीं चलेगा. सारा wait, one.
Yeah. Take your time. But we need the audio to be good. Please hold on, doctors. Please bear with us for just 2 minutes. She's taking help. I think there is some network issue with her today, unfortunately, because she keeps doing these Facebook sessions and a lot of audio Instagram sessions. So she's quite okay with all this. But today, unfortunately, there is some network problem.
It is said, no, बड़े-बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं.
Yes. So till then, maybe Rajasri, can you just make an announcement? Maybe numbers will show later, but you can just tell. Rajasri, are you there? So doctors who all are here, I think most of you all are our regular participants. But till I am not able to, I don't want to stop screen share today because she had difficulty in screen sharing. Otherwise, we wanted to display a few slides. One is about, notifications. We get a lot of messages that they want to be notified about our all DigiOGAN programs. So all of you know that, most of you know that we conduct these academic sessions now once a week. Initially, it used to be twice a week. So once a week, now we conduct under 3 modules. First is a surgical skill module. Second is a protocol and guidelines based module, and third is a soft skill development module. Now for the past maybe more than 2 weeks, that is Ganpati festival and this 1 week of nutrition week, we have launched our, instead of DigiOGAN, it is Festive OGAN. And 10 days of Ganpati festival, we had really interesting sessions. One was about saying yes to a transformed you by Mrs. Universe Lovely. Second session was on there is a slide in there. Second session was very interesting session on dining etiquettes by one of the holistic counselor. She was really good. And then we had a fun session on Sunday with all our master chefs displaying their culinary skills. So that was really fun. Festive OGAN was part 1. Now part 2 we started with this nutrition week, that is the NutriFest week. But DigiOGANs we conduct under 3 modules. So those of you who want to be notified about all our future DigiYoga programs, after this talk, I will be displaying a slide. You can also, Dr. Rajasi must have posted in the chat box. Her messages appear by the name Active Virus. So Active Virus, her honorary secretary, you can just check her messages in the chat box. She has given details about our DigiYoga online CMEs and the contact number. Please send a message to that contact, a WhatsApp message to this contact number with your name and mobile number. And please send a message saying that you want to be added to our broadcast list. So we have very interesting sessions coming up all through the month. So once you send us a message, we'll add you in our broadcast list. Today is a non-specific, non-academic program. So this has no accreditation of credit points, but otherwise all our programs are ICOG credit points accredited. So those messages are different, but today we are not going to show them. So, Meghna, are you done?
Yes.
You got the speakers? Just
yes.
Can you speak a little louder and tell me?
Yes.
Get the mic close to you first. The mic of your earphones.
Yeah, right. Atta?
Yeah, 1 minute. Can you all give us a thumbs up if it's better for you? Maybe in the chat box quickly, yes or no? Say a few lines, Meghna.
Hi. Hi,
yeah,
everyone.
Yeah. So, yes from everyone.
Good evening.
Now, over to you. Go ahead.
Okay,
go ahead.
Okay. So, PCOS में सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम जो होता है वो अपर एब्डोमिनल ओबेसिटी होती है, दैट वी नो दैट, एंड इंक्रीज फैट स्टोरेज बिकॉज ऑफ इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस एंड हाई कोलेस्ट्रॉल एंड ट्राइग्लिसराइड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इंक्रीज फैट स्टोरेज. So now 3 symptoms of insulin resistance is a high testosterone, weight gain, and fertility issues, and that's why we should consider about the PCOS and PCOD. So why does PCOS cause weight gain? First, insulin resistance causes a buildup of a glucose in the bloodstream, and this high level of insulin increases the production of androgen, male hormones, and high level of androgen leads to a weight gain, especially around the abdomen. So hip waist ratio आपको सबसे ज़्यादा दिखेगा जब PCOS और PCOD में. Fat carried around the abdominal can significantly increase the risk heart diseases and even other diseases also. Sorry. So eating disorders and PCOS, negative body image, मतलब वेट एकदम पुट ऑन दिखता है, और फिर जो लड़कियां होती है वो सोचती है कि मतलब मैं मोटी हो रही हूँ, मेरा हिप वेस्ट रेशो बढ़ रहा है, फटीग, डिप्रेशन बिकॉज ऑफ दिस नेगेटिव बॉडी इमेज, वेट गेन, जो प्रोबेबली कंप्लेंट लेके आते हैं कि वेट गेन हो रहा है करके, और मेंस्ट्रुएशन सिम्टम्स एंड बैक पेन. So now the treatment, hormonal treatment, generally weight loss is the foremost suggestion by gynecologist. As a dietitian, my role is to change the lifestyle. Okay, so changing the lifestyle is the key of the treatment. और वो भी 2 चीज़ों से ही हम इस lifestyle को change कर सकते हैं. One is diet and second thing is आपका जो आपका diet. Okay. So now talking about the exercise. Actually जैसे कि मुझे हमेशा बोला जाता है कि मैं जिंदगी भर एक्सरसाइज करूंगी क्या? अगर आप PCOS PCOD हैं तो आपको एक्सरसाइज जिंदगी भर करना ही है, ये आपको सोचना है. सेकंड थिंग इज अगर जिसको PCOS है और PCOD है, और इफ दे आर थिंकिंग कि मैं वॉक पे चली जाती हूँ या मैं फिर एक ब्रिस्क वॉक करती हूँ, तो उससे मतलब आपके सिम्टम्स कम नहीं हो सकते हैं. यू हैव टू डू द विगरस एक्सरसाइज, 45 मिनट्स विगरस एक्सरसाइज. मैं मेरे पेशेंट्स को बोलती हूँ कि आपको अगर आपको थायराइड है और आपको अगर PCOD PCOS है तो 45 मिनट्स विगरस कार्डियो एक्सरसाइज विद द वेट ट्रेनिंग आपको करना ही है. यू हैव टू मेक अ शेड्यूल कि जैसे कि 2 दिन आप वेट ट्रेनिंग कर सकते हैं, या रोज आप हाई इंटेंसिटी एक्सरसाइज इज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन इन अ PCOS एंड PCOD. तो आप अगर हाई इंटेंसिटी एक्सरसाइज करते हैं उसके साथ वेट ट्रेनिंग करते हैं तो सो यू विल गेट द वेरी गुड रिजल्ट. इवन फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग, आई एम अ PCOD पर्सन, और मुझे मैंने कुछ भी मेडिसिन नहीं लेने की जरूरत पड़ी, क्योंकि मुझे पता है वो टाइम पे मुझे केतकर मैम ने बोला था कि मेघना यू जस्ट डू द एक्सरसाइज प्रॉपरली, 1 आवर एक्सरसाइज करो आप, और अच्छे से एक्सरसाइज करो और आपको मेडिसिन लेने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. एंड मैंने सही में एक्सरसाइज की है और मुझे उसका फायदा भी हुआ है. तो एक्सरसाइज इज मस्ट, बट इट इज नॉट अबाउट द 20 मिनट्स एंड 30 मिनट्स. यू हैव टू डू द 45 minutes exercise, vigorous exercise, high intensity exercise with the weight training. Okay, so now talking about the diet, no doubt low calorie diet is needed, but within your calorie parameter कि आपको कितने calories के diet की ज़रूरत है. High protein, increase their protein level 1.2 to 1.5 grams तक हम per body weight हम बढ़ा सकते हैं proteins. Low carbohydrate because of
there are some requests in the chat box that they want it in English. They want in English. So just a moment. Is everyone okay with English? Who's not okay with English? Just can you just post in the chat box that they will not understand English?
Okay,
because there are a few requests that they want the talk to be in English. So those of you who don't understand English, can you just post in the chat box that they can't understand English? Because this is basically a public awareness program. Of course, most of them are doctors, because we also want to know what to advise to our patients. Yeah, I think you can go ahead with English because there are no requests.
Okay. So fine. So we need a low calorie diet, high protein, increase their protein level. We are calculating 1.2 to 1.5 grams per their weight. Low carbohydrate diet, we are calculating depending on the patient, actually 150, 200, 250, depending on the patients, because they have also the cravings. So we have to manage their cravings also, but we are trying to give the low carbohydrate diet. Special care of a diet while menstruation cycle, vitamin B6, because they have the very bad cramps or maybe painful menstruation cycle. So vitamin B6, there are so many studies is available. If we are giving the vitamin B6, if cramps is there, and calcium, so their pain is help to them to reduce. Calcium 1200 mg for 3 cycles, but it is depending means not 1200 mg, but it is a totally 3 cycles. And omega-3 fatty acid, we have to give them. These all are means already there are so many studies about this. So for reducing their pain, we can add calcium, vitamin B6, and omega-3 fatty acids. Okay, so there are some, I got this slide from Google, so I just take it. High glycemic index foods, they should be avoid more caffeine. They should avoid hydrogenated oil. They can use good fats like a ghee, and with that coconut oil is the best oil. And even this is what is this called as a cold press oil, they can use. Alcohol should be reduced. Red meat should be reduced. Gluten grains, but sometimes it is there, but gluten ka bahut bada mujhe kuch I mean, I don't get it any studies gluten and PCOS, so we are not talking about this. Definitely we need to do the low carbohydrate diet, so we have to reduce white sugar and white flour and white rice and brown rice, and nowadays the black rice is coming, so that is the good option. Then our bajra, jawar and ragi is a good option. Ragi have a very good source of a calcium and iron, so that is also the best option. Then dairy products, actually dairy products and PCOS, there are so many studies available, but the thing is maybe actually that cow we are means that these people are giving them the antibiotics and as well as some hormonal injections for the productions, and they maybe come from the milk, and because of that the hormonal imbalance is there. So dairy products should be avoided, but A2 milk is the best option in a minimum quantity. So these are the research studies I find out. These are 25 overweight women with PCOS were matched for age, weight, and whether a low protein, high carbohydrate diet and a high protein, low carbohydrate diet both given, and they find out HPLC is the best option. So how to lose a weight when you have a PCOS? So there are some pyramids, we can follow this. Meal timing is important. Calorie control should be important, because we have to give them a low calorie diet because of insulin resistance. Meal planning should be there. So according to their calories, we have to plan the diet, and we have to plan lots of things like vegetables and fruits, vitamins and minerals, calcium and like a low carbohydrate and a high protein diet. So bottom line is meal timing, calorie control, deal with the eating triggers, and then mindset. We need to do the lots of counseling, because they don't want to they want to reduce the weight, they want to reduce their symptoms, but they are not willing to do it. So we have to do the counseling, good sleep, and mindful eating, because most of the time they are teenagers before marriage. They come to us, and it is very difficult for to them to control their self. So mindful eating, we have to taught them to how to do the mindful eating. So this is only the 3 PCOS weight loss mistakes they are doing, only focusing on calories, but that is not there. I've seen the people who are doing the diet, and they are literally eating some junk foods, and they are not concentrating on their vitamins and minerals. So they have to lots of restrictions. Means if you are taking the less than 1200 calories plan, that is also not work on a PCOS or PCOD. We have to do the exercise, and we have to give the minimum 1200 calories diet. They don't want to start that. I already told you, okay, they are doing the diet, then switch off the diet, and then again they want to do the diet. So this process is going on. We have to teach them ki you have to do the diet and exercise throughout the life. Means mindful eating should be there. Conclusion: exercise, pelvic plus high intensity exercise. Pelvic exercise is like there are some yoga poses, and that is really I searched some paper on this, and that's why I added it. And the pelvic exercise is really working on a good in a PCOS patients, and HIT, high intensity exercise, low calories, high protein, low carbohydrate, and modification of lifestyle, means like exercise and diet and the combination of the medicine, we can achieve the achieve this PCOS and PCOD problem. Solving the problem. Eating nutritious food while pregnant is essential. Everyone knows that the Kareena Kapoor is the hottest thing when she was pregnant, and everyone was like, okay, wow, she was did a photo shoot and all that things. So it was nice. So it is very important to have the. And then Rujuta Divekar published her book on a pregnancy and all that. So it is very important diet in a pregnancies. So I took some points which is essential to know about this. So pregnancy and nausea and vomiting, try to keep your body alkaline. If you are eating the lots of alkaline fruits, like alkaline means fruits and vegetables, lots of water. So then your body, make it your body alkaline, make it your body hydrate yourself. So drink a lots of water, or maybe coconut water you can have some sharbat, you can have drink a glucose, or with little bit of a salt plus lemon in that, and you can make a like a sharbat, bale sharbat. We are Indians, so there are so many sharbat is available, so that you can try. Eat high water content vegetables and fruits, and add more rice, soup and juices and curd, because rice is very easy to digest. Soup, I'm against of a soup, because there are very little nutrition things in a soup, because we already boiled it and then crunch it and then crush it, and then we are using. So soup is I'm not, but when you are dehydrated, the soup is the best option. Juices, but only fruit juices, because if you are having the vegetable juices, maybe sometimes it get problem. Curd, because of a lactobacillus, you feel better, so you can add a curd or buttermilk, you can add in there. In a pregnancy aversion, food aversion, on the other hand, may only be problematic if they involve foods that are important for a baby's growth and a development. So solution, what are the solutions? One is the sweet and sour food. If you are eating the sweet and sour food, you feel better. Vitamin B6, like a peanuts, soybean, oats, and bananas, and non-vegetarian food is a vitamin B6. And no milk, you can add in a little bit in your diet, so it is okay. Vitamin B6, banana is the best option, and no milk, because it is very difficult to digest. Now in a pregnancy craving, सबको पता है पहले की movies आती थी and they are like pickle खाने की इच्छा होती है, yeah you are pregnant. So I remember when I was small and that in a movie that come to और मम्मा को पूछ नहीं सकते थे वो जमाने में, and it was like अच्छा बाद में बहुत सालों बाद पता चला कि अच्छा अचार खाते हैं तो pregnant होते हैं. Then now I know that what is there. So you might start aching of a donuts, Chinese food. Some people have the craving of a Chinese foods and ice cream. So what are the best option? That is the, if you have the fried items can easily be substituted for baked ones. आप ले सकते हैं fried food खाने से. Replace ice cream with a frozen yogurts or maybe curd or maybe आपको पता होगा कि आज जब हम ये लॉकडाउन में कुकिंग सीख रहे थे and at that time we understand कि वो fruits के भी आइसक्रीम बनते हैं, and if you are adding a lots of dry fruits in there and little bit of ice cream and with the fruits, so then you can replace that. Plain dark chocolate you can have 75%, it's better choice rather than milk or a white chocolate, and which have a load of sugars क्योंकि white and milk have a more sugar than the dark chocolate, and you get the natural dark chocolate like made up by stevia, and the best option is Javik dark chocolate. It is a very good option. Pica is a disorder that causes craving for items that contains no nutritional value. So pregnant women with a pica may want to eat clay, cigarette ashes or starch and among other strange substance. When a woman has a pica during pregnancy, it may indicate a lack of a specific vitamins or minerals, and eating such items can be dangerous for you and your baby. So they have to check the vitamin B6, folic acid, and then iron, and then vitamin B12 and vitamin D deficiencies, and you will get know is there anything. Most probably iron is the main sources. I got some studies about the iron and this. So now water intake according to WHO 3.3 to 4.5. If you are lactating 4.5 and in a pregnancy 3.3 liter, WHO is recommended. But but I think 3.3 is very less. You can drink 3.3 to 4 liters of water. Focus on proteins, vitamins, minerals, and iron and calcium and folic acid, and healthy types of fats, complex carbohydrate, fiber, and fluids when we are talking about the pregnancy. So dairy products, especially yogurt, are a great choice. They help you meet increased protein and calcium needs, and other dairy products also means you can add like the milk and milk products, anything you can add. Legumes are a super source of a folate, fiber, many other nutrients. Folate is a very important nutrient during pregnancy, we know that, and we are giving the folate tablet and all. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta carotene, and that we can add in pregnancy diet. Seeds and nuts, they have the omega-3 fatty acid, and then it is very important at all. Seeds and nuts, even dry fruit laddu is a good option if you really want, and you can add there a little bit of a flax seeds and sunflower seeds. You can add nowadays sunflower seeds is easily you get it, so you can make laddus from there. Then whole eggs are incredible nutritious and a great way to increase your all non-vegetarian food. Actually have a good source of proteins, and even these all legumes and pulses, so protein we can add in there. Berries is the best option because they have the very good antioxidants, so that we can add in our adding pregnancy diet. Whole grains, because and especially bajra, jawar and ragi, we can mix it and we can have it. We can add some seeds in there, not flax seeds, because flax seeds are oxidized easily, and then जिस चीजों के लिए हम खा रहे हैं वो चीज उसमें से मिलती नहीं है. So अगर if you want a flax seeds in your roti and all, if you want to add, you have to just crush it on a time, and you can add in your attas and all that things. And multigrain atta you can add in your diet, but don't forget bajra we are only using in a winter, and jawar we are using in a summer as well as in a rainy seasons. Dried fruits is a good option in a pregnancy because they have the magnesium, iron, everything. But understand, if the patient have the complaint of the iron deficiency, then if you are giving the tablet of iron or something, then that time they should not have the dry fruits, because they are interfere the absorption also. It is a high rich iron content, but with that they have something that which are interfere in the absorption of iron also, so it should be in a limited quantity. Drinking water is important, as you're already we are talking about this, so as much they can have the drinking water, but after first trimester is okay, but last trimester they have very it's difficult for them to go to the urination and drink a lots of water. Diet myths in a pregnancy: not to eat papaya, but papaya, ripe papaya have a vitamin A in a quantity you can have. Only unripe papaya have a camopopen, which is a large quantity, uterine contraction hota hai. But frankly speaking, unripe papaya आप कम quantity में खा सकते हैं. If I'm talking about the large quantity, that not mean कि इतना सा 100 grams, and it is in a kgs. So you can have this papaya. Unripe papaya is no issues. Only ripe papaya, sorry, is no issues, but unripe papaya, yes, in a large quantity uterine contraction is there. Nuts, good source of vitamins. There are so many people are thinking कि काजू नहीं खा सकते, बादाम नहीं खा सकते, सब गरम गरम होता है, and there is a no things. Good source of vitamins and minerals, so improve cognitive ability in the children according to this EGE 2019. केसर, it's a rich of antioxidant 2 to 3 अगर आप sticks लेते हैं, so it is decreased mood swings and cramps during pregnancy, so केसर you can have. Fish, eggs, meat is a good source of a vitamin B, iron and protein, so we have to include in our in a pregnancy diet. Now we are talking about the cold food and hot food. There are so many questions is coming कि मैम ये गरम गरम होता है. Even जब मैं किसी को डाइट देती हूँ एंड वो डाइट जब गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाते हैं तो नहीं, तुम्हारे डाइट में पूरा गरम गरम है, सो डोंट टेक इट. तो ऐसे बहुत बार होता है, बट एक्चुअली एज ए न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट हमको कभी भी नहीं सिखाया गया है कि ये कोल्ड फूड है, ये हॉट फूड है, इससे ये होता है. ओनली थिंग इज कि अगर आपका कोल्ड फूड और हॉट फूड नहीं बताया जाता है, हमें सिर्फ न्यूट्रिशन थिंग्स बताए जाते हैं. और जैसे कि मैंने बताया अनरेंड पपाया में कैमोपेपेन है, तो उसी की तरह हमारे फूड में क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है उसके. और अब अगर हम मॉडरेट क्वांटिटी में खाते, देयर इज नो हार्मफुल. इवन अगर हम हमारे डाइट में केसर भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, हम काजू भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, देयर विल बी नॉट हार्मफुल. ओनली इट शुड बी इन अ मॉडरेट क्वांटिटी. Healthy diet tips to following an early pregnancy: choose healthy food options such as a salad, soups, fruits and steamed veggies whenever you feel hungry in between meals or at a snacks time. Actually steamed veggies इसलिए कि बहुत सारी vomiting sensation बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, and the veggies is not cooked. Sometimes some pregnancy women are observing that things, that's why. Drink lots of water and other fluid to stay hydrated. Don't forget to take your prenatal vitamins and folic acid supplements every day. Avoid alcohol and cut down caffeine intake, and stay active and exercise moderately depending on your health conditions. Only if you are doing the yoga, just be careful, because in a yogas there आप अगर बहुत जोर जोर से कपाल भारती करते हो तो there is a problem, because मैंने पर्सनल लेवल पे बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स ऐसे देखे हैं कि बिकॉज ऑफ कपाल भारती एंड दैट एक्सरसाइज उनको प्रॉब्लम हुआ है, क्रिएट बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम, मतलब लंग्स भी कोलैप्स हुए हैं. सो बी केयरफुल व्हाइल डूइंग द योगा इन प्रेगनेंसी. सो आपको बहुत जोर जोर से प्राणायाम वगैरह एक्सरसाइज आपको अवॉइड करना चाहिए. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द डाइट फॉर अ प्री एंड पोस्ट मेनोपॉजल वुमेन. Madhuri Dixit is my favorite, and we know that she is now 50 and she's still fit, and we all want to fit in after her 40s. So causes in a main means what we are facing the causes: low circulating estrogen level, decreased physical activity. I think these all of you know that, so I will not talk about this. Physiological causes: decreased BMR, half to 1 kgs weight gain is it is a normal process. मेरे पास अभी भी आते हैं जो 40s के बाद उनका they are very thin but still they are facing this problem. Hormonal fluctuations, metabolic disorder, decline lean muscles mass, 10% muscle mass per year होता है, इसलिए that's why we have to gain the muscle mass and we have to at least maintain that what we have the muscles. In hypothyroidism, PCOS, muscular skeletal disorder, weight gain is there. Psychological factors: negative emotional state, depression, stress, anxiety, tension, and mood swings, but it is not happening with everyone. Body image, emotional eating, mood swings, and sexual problems. So now lifestyle related factors: positive energy diet and poor quality. They want to eat more, means they are eating actually more in this condition, so they are eating more taking more calories. हाई फैट, हाई शुगर एंड हाई सॉल्ट. मुझे आज ही मैंने मॉर्निंग में रेडियो पे मुझे किसी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि हंगर पैंग्स का क्या करना है जब हमारी एज 40s होती है, मुझे बहुत शुगर खाने की इच्छा होती है. तो शुगर, सॉल्ट एंड फैट वांट टू, जिन्होंने पूरी जिंदगी में डाइट किया है, मैंने देखा है सम पीपल आर नाउ डोंट वांट टू डू it in this age. Low dietary fiber intake, fiber नहीं खाते because high fat और high sugar and high salt से appetite कम हो जाती है, so they don't want to eat fiber. High consumption of processed food, fried food, unhealthy eating habits, over consumption of alcohol, sleep and inactivity. In this period we are mostly very means relaxing phase we can say, because हमारे बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं, हमारे पास थोड़ा टाइम खुद के लिए होता है, we want to go with the friends and all. So this is the these are the factors. So why decline physical activity? Muscle loss, 10% muscle loss every year, decreased muscle strength, lower workload, and because of this they are facing the weight gain. What exactly happened? Depletion of a follicular ovarian pool, lower estrogen production, increased androgen level and hormonal imbalance, and because of all these things they are increase the heat waste ratio. Okay, so now when we are talking about the exercise, motivation is very important to do the exercise. Best exercise for you, so consult your trainer or maybe your dietitian or maybe your doctor, so they can help you what is the exercise you can do it. Move after every 1 hour is important. More active, because BMR down होता है तो हमें move करने की भी इच्छा नहीं होती है, so we have to move every 1 hour, और मैं तो बोलूँगी half an hour. अगर आप फोन पे भी बात करें तो just move it. More active, जितना आप active रहेंगे you will lose your weight, and maybe you can you more fit actually. And best exercise, high intensity, and you have to focus on apart from high intensity exercise, you have to focus on your muscle strengthening exercise. You have to do it. You can go for a walk, you can go for a brisk walk, you can go for the run, but 3 to 4 days you have to do the muscle strengthening exercise. It is very, very important. Best exercise, effective combination, aerobic, resistance training and yoga is the best exercise in this age. Walking, and if you are doing, protect effect on vasomotor symptoms. So with the walking and aerobic exercise and yoga exercise, you can do the resistance training exercise. How to do it? Rule number 1, warm up. Rule number 2, aerobic exercise. Weight training. Weight training is it is depending on you want to do a regular basis, you can do, or maybe you can decide 3 to 4 days and you can do it. Practice yoga and stretching, because mood swings is there and yoga is the best meditation things. And cooling down, not more than 60 minutes. There is no need to do the more than 60 minutes. In this, again, you have to take the high protein diet, because muscle mass is decreasing and bone strength is also decreasing. So according to guideline, 1 to 1.2 grams per kg body weight we need it. Water retention is the biggest problem. in this age. So change the diet, reduce fatty foods, do exercise, so more sweating, more no water retention. Avoid alcohol because alcohol give you the water retention. Avoid sugary and salty foods because you know that salt is give you the water retention. Again, sometimes spices food also give you the hot flashes. If you have have this problem, you have to reduce your spicy foods. Treatment: high potassium foods like a coconut water, jeera water, dhania water is a best option. Water therapy means you can have the detox waters. You can make your detox waters like put one slice of a lemon, one slice of a pudina, so your urination is increasing, and we can solve this problem. So these are the detox water: kokum water, simple lemon juice. If you want to weight reduction, don't put this thing, what is called as sugar in there. Cucumber slice, sweet lime slice in water. Buttermilk, you can have very thin buttermilk. Jeera and dhania water and awla sharbat. But if you want to weight, again, bale sharbat is also there. But if you want to weight reduction, then again don't put any sugar in this sharbats. Okay. Incorporate food rich in calcium. We know that in this age we need a calcium. So calcium rich food, you have the milk and milk product is a very good source of a calcium. But apart from that, this curry leaves is a good option. Moringa is a good option. Moringa leaves you get it anywhere. बहुत easily available. Even moringa powder is there. So you can increase your calcium level with that. Til, khaskhas is a good option. Avoid food which are high in phytate. Legumes soaked. अगर आप legumes ले रहे तो soaked it क्योंकि उसमें phytates है. Iron rich food, good for flushes and insomnia, palpitation and irritability. Food rich in phytoestrogen, especially soybean. Treatment on vitamin D deficiency if you have. Avoid spicy food, alcohol and caffeine for hot flushes. Work on emotional behavior. There are some phytoestrogen foods which are really needed: broccoli, carrot, legumes, oranges, soya berries. I just give you the one, but soya should be processed. Rules for weight loss: be disciplined, give yourself for at least 1 year to for weight reduction if you want a weight reduction in this age, so you can maintain that weight. Avoid outside foods as much as you can, or maybe you can control the portion and you can smartly choose this smartly, like you can have the more protein. Frequent meals, quality of a food is important. So vitamin, minerals, everything, you can follow the My Plate rule or food pyramid, and what are we already spoke. There is no ideal diet that is right for everyone. Nutritional needs are specific to each individuals, but everyone needs a diet that is balanced and includes a variety of foods that supply the different kind and amount of nutrient we need for a good health. So this is my quote: to keep the body in good health is a duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clear. These all are my activities. These are all my clients. I think it's stopped. Oh.
Thank you. Thank you, Bhavana, for the excellent presentation.
Thank you, everyone. Yeah, Vaidhi.
Thank you. Can you hear me? I am Dr. Sulbha Joshi. Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear.
No. Thank you. Thank you for the excellent presentation. You have very nicely explained the diet and exercise to be carried out at different stages of women's life. Friends, we all know that the life stages of women are divided into puberty, reproductive age, then climacteric period, elderly years, pregnancy and puerperium, and the requirements at all these stages differ. Bhavna has explained us very nicely the kind of diet that has to be taken at every stage, and especially about the PCOS, the diet, because in PCOS weight reduction is most important. Even 10% reduction in weight will lead to normalization of the menses, and it can also establish fertility also. So, and it has been observed that whenever you are doing the weight reduction, diet and exercise both are to be followed. One should always see to it that exercise is not, this exercise is about rewarding your body with endorphins. and not punishing your body for what you are eating, because it has been observed that आज मैंने श्रीखंड खा लिया, आज मैंने 4 रोटी ज़्यादा खा ली, so I will do exercise. It is not like that. Exercise should not be considered as a punishment. And very nicely explained, Bhavna. One thing I want, there are many queries, there are many questions.
Madam, can you put your video on? We can't see you. Your video is off. Please switch on your video. Yeah. Yes.
Bhavna, there were many queries. One query I have, and that is we always say कि 1 gram per kg or 2 gram, 1.5 gram per kg proteins are to be taken. But we cannot tell patient you take this much amount. So we have to explain for an average person how much is the protein intake, how much should be the protein intake, and for vegetarians as well as non-vegetarians, which kind of protein intake has to be there.
So you can add, जैसे कि morning में ma'am, we can add a sprouts, or maybe if they are the patient, they can have the eggs. We can add eggs. They can add moong dal chila. They can add besan chila. That you can recommend it. Then when actually the problem is what in a lunch they are most probably eating like a roti and sabzi. Yeah. They're not adding any dal or something, sprouts or something there. And if the dal is there, 1 katori dal for a whole family. So just think कि उनको कितनी दाल मिल रही है. So in a PCOS, अगर हम बोले कि because of an insulin register, if you are having 1 katori dal before meal, you give you the best result. Means tell them to drink the 1 katori dal before you are having your carbohydrates. And after one katori dal, give them 1 more katori dal with them. So 2 katori dal they needed with little bit of a milk and milk product, or maybe soya bean, because I already told you कि milk product we are not giving. So even in a this thing snacking, you can add something like anything like a sattu water is a good option for them. So they get the protein, and at night they can choose like chicken, fish, eggs, paneer, and soya products. With that they can have their chapatis and vegetables. So many times even we are eating khichdi, okay, khichdi with curry. That is this is the very normal routine in our life. Every family can follow these things. So you can't get it that much. If you want, if they want khichdi with curry, they have to add some high biological proteins, like maybe tofu, maybe 1 egg, maybe a little bit of a chicken, or maybe if they are vegetarian, they have to add rajma, chola, something with that. Or maybe sprouts they can add. So their protein, or maybe paneer they can add. A2 milk is the best option. I wouldn't find out कि A2 milk अगर आप लेते हैं तो then hormonal problem is not there. Whatever research is available, they are only talking about the normal milk and milk product and their hormonal things. So that we can do it.
One important point. One of the participant was asking about GI, glycemic index. I just want to add here. See, glycemic index is when you eat something, your sugar rises fast. If glycemic index is high, that means if you have your sugar or glucose, then your glucose level will rise fast within 5-10 minutes. But if what you must eat is the food with low glycemic index. That is, the rise in sugar level should be maintained over a period of time. So if you have rice and dal, or if you have roti and dal, then this, isn't it? Is it right, Bhavna?
I want to add one point in there. Actually क्या होता है कि अगर बटाटे की रस्सी की सब्जी की है, आलू वांगे की भाजी के ले लिया है.
English people, lots of non-Marathi Hindi people.
So what is brinjal, and वो कैसे मराठी में आता है ना अच्छे से. वांग्याची भाजी, आलू वांग्याची भाजी मराठी में. So it is like when we are in brinjal and the potato with the rice, then your glycemic index will going to high. If you really want to do, it is not about the glycemic index. You can eat rice, but you have to add more protein in there.
Yes.
So you have to add more protein. If you are having the rajma and rice, then it is a really good combination. then you don't restrict your glycemic index food. But if you are eating the little bit of aloo ki sabzi with the rajma and the rice, then your glycemic index things is high. So you have to check with your protein intake. Then there is no issues. We are giving the diet with the rice and they are reducing the weight. So that is not the problem. But एक ही दिन में अगर आप खाते हैं, you are eating the potato also, you are eating the bread also, and you are eating the rice also. So then you are definitely this problem is arise.
But what about rajma के ऊपर मक्खन लगता है ना, उसका क्या?
Fat is not an issue. अगर आपके calories में adjust हो रहा है तो you can have
It's all about
makhan. You can have a little bit of a rice and with the lots of a rajma with a makhan.
Yes, so it's all about adjusting everything in that requirement. Yeah.
One more query. One participant was asking about the ghee, use of ghee.
You can use. You should use
ghee and oil. We would like to know.
So Meghna, I will modify this question a bit. Can you elaborate? Can you throw some light on which oils should be used for cooking? Which oil should be used?
Okay, this
Maybe
is a very yeah. First thing is you should use the cold press oil. Any groundnut oil you can use it. You can use it sunflower oil. You can use it any oil. अगर हम point wise जाए, if we are thinking about the point wise, the best oil is the coconut oil and flaxseed oil. But flaxseed oil, why we can't use? Because it is really it is rancid easily.
Rancid, yes.
We should keep it in a this glass bottle, and then no air contact with this thing. Even if you are opening that, then even it is a rancid, and that's why Vidarbha is a flaxseeds मतलब सबसे ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन फ्लैक्सीड्स का होता था, एंड दे स्टॉप्ड बिकॉज उसमें कुछ भी तलते थे तो उसका स्मेल बहुत ज्यादा आता था थोड़ी देर के बाद. So that's why we stopped to even cultivate flaxseeds more. Now it is again flaxseeds is come, so you have to just chew it and you have it for the omega-3 fatty acid. So the question is, coconut oil is the best, but you can't have only the coconut oil because your triglyceride level will be the high. So you can combination, but you cannot mix it. If you think that Saffola oil with the mix with the so many oils and you can use, because their smoking point is a different. So their boiling point is different. So what you can do, have a 1 liter kachi ghani ka tel, any kachi ghani ka tel you can have. You can add a little bit of a coconut oil with that, and with that you can have add some ghee. So this combination is a proper omega-3, omega-6 and omega-9. This combination is the best combination.
Okay, so you said ghani ka groundnut oil with a bit
groundnut
of
oil or sunflower oil. You can change this oil.
Okay,
so like
and you mix it with coconut and ghee.
You should not mix. If you are using in a lunch groundnut oil, then you can use coconut oil in your dinner.
Okay,
and
so
you can and ghee you can use on your roti or this dal. You can put it in your dal.
Right. Yeah. So before we take Q&As, there are lots of questions for you, Meghna. I'll give you 2 minutes break. You can have a sip of water, maybe have a glass of water. Shivangi, can you quickly go up with the announcements till then, because Meghna can take a break for a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll take all the questions now. Start posting your questions in the chat box. Shivangi will make just 2 announcements and then we'll start.
There is a other method, that is the 30 to 50 ml per your body weight.
Yeah.
So if you are thin, you can add into 30, and if you are obese, then you have to add in 50 into your weight.
Okay, so it's not like fixed.
No, these are the equations we can follow it.
Okay, so it's not fixed like should have 4 liters, 5 liters. It is about dependent on your color of the urine, and maybe then if you want to go by formula.
3 liters of water. Yeah. If you are drinking the 3 liters of water and your urine is a transparent, then there is no need to drink a 3.5 and 4 liters of water.
Fine. You said there is one comment. You said not to eat white rice, but the current sheet, you said eat more rice. What does that mean?
Matlab?
Even I didn't get this question. Maniksha Gaikwad, please post your question again. We did not understand what you actually want to ask. This is one question from a very fitness freak doctor and my friend Dr. Beenal Shah. She's asking you protein options for vegetarians in PCOD.
You can add soya atta, processed soya atta you can add. You can add sattu, you can add legumes, rajma, peas, जो dry peas होते हैं, that chana, chola. There are so many options. Even अभी आपने देखा होगा कि the vegetarian protein powder is available, that is made from the peas powder.
Okay.
Peas protein powder, so that you can add. There are so many options. No need to stick on non-vegetarian.
Yeah, but white rice, again there is one comment, white rice you can have, right? Have you mentioned that you can't have?
You can have. You can have if you are having the just think we can add half katori of a rice. Okay, white rice you are having, so you are add more dal, thick dal, 2 katori of dal. If you are adding, then glycemic index ka jo issues is that will be not there.
Typically Indian meals have been more of chawal, less of dal, and dal is also diluted with water. We need to reverse that ratio, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What about what we should have, whole eggs or only egg white is to be used? How do we decide?
2 whole egg is recommended already. Cholesterol is not related to that, but so 2 white part is not a concept now. 2 whole eggs you can have in a one day.
Yeah, but is it again about number of eggs, or is it about it is about your weight, body weight? How do you calculate 2 or 4?
No, if you are taking 2 whole eggs and you are having the dal and all that things, it is fine, absolutely fine. क्योंकि हम लोग वैसे भी sufficient नहीं मतलब हमारा जो protein intake है वो उतना हम achieve वैसे भी नहीं कर पाते हैं. So it is fine.
Okay. What about dairy products like cheese, paneer? Are they okay for PCOD?
I'm telling you, there are so many studies which are related to PCOD and dairy products, and they are saying it should not be there because there are relations. But in every research paper, they are telling about they mention that they are giving the antibiotics and hormonal injections to that cow, and that's why. So A2 milk is the best option even in a PCOD. I'm giving a little bit of, not more than if I'm telling them to have the 50 grams paneer and all whole day. So I'm not in my practice. If A2 milk is there is no problem.
Yeah, you mentioned about dark chocolate. Which dark chocolate is a question from one doctor?
Interesting question. Jaivik stevia, 85% Jaivik chocolate is Jaivik is a company.
Jaivik, yeah, Z-E-V-I-C.
Yeah, Jaivik is a company, and they have the dark chocolate with stevia, and the taste is a really good one.
Yeah.
Means you can have.
Yeah. For doctors who are attending, it's Z-E-V-I-C, Jaivik. So it's available online.
Yeah.
Also,
ये airport पे भी मिल जाते हैं.
Jaivik का?
हाँ.
Okay, fine.
But अभी तो सबका बंद है.
Yes. This is a question, I think, from a non-doctor person having PCOD and also secondary infertility. What should I do? Any dietary advice if you can offer?
You have
It's not mentioned about her weight, nothing actually.
So you have to reduce the weight if it is needed. और अगर जरूरत नहीं है, then you have to go for a high protein diet with the exercise and a low carbohydrate diet.
Okay. There is this
Even
question
fasting is a good option in PCOD.
Okay. This question about dark chocolate, Dr. Veena Gupta has mentioned that it contains caffeine, although in less amount compared to coffee. So ideally, should it be avoided?
No, yeah, it is there, but there is some craving and all that. So if you are not giving them the options, then they will quit your diet plans.
Right. Yeah.
So in less quantity, it is okay.
Yeah. So someone has mentioned garam means whether she is able to digest or not, or whether these ingredients can cause abortions, whether these foodstuffs can cause hyperacidity. So do we follow this garam thanda thing in your diet plan?
No, it is actually depending on the individual. There is a no food cold or ye. This is if there is some problem, means there some problem with their digestion, not with that the thing abortion and all that things. It is not happening.
Okay. Can pregnant lady continue to take folic acid throughout her pregnancy? What harm and excess of folic acid can cause? Can you tell us?
No, folic acid you can take it throughout the your pregnancy, and what is called as you can take it throughout the pregnancy, and there is a no, there are some guidelines is for a folic acid taking, and that is mentioned in some NIN book and all that things, so you can follow that guidelines.
So they can take throughout pregnancy, right? Yeah. How much ghee? You didn't talk about ghee in PCOD in pregnancy. Any comment you want to give again about ghee?
No, there is no rule. There
No,
is
ghee.
Paper is available. Ghee, na?
Whether they can have ghee in
there
PCOD pregnancy, and how much? What is
in
your...
a PCOD you can have the ghee, but there is no mention how much and how it is related. It is not related to PCOS. Ghee you can use generally what the people can have.
Okay, Dr. Meena Agrawal, she asked, is it harmful if we are doing different types of exercise more than 60 minutes? In what way? Meena, for that you must attend our tomorrow's section, Think Inches Not Kilos, by a team of 3 doctors, and you will get answers to all these questions tomorrow. So this was about diet. Tomorrow is about Think Inches and Not Kilos. And if they are going to give you magic tips about diet, of course, few types about structured quantified diet and exercise. Okay. Sugar is important in Panchamrit in our Indian tradition. We can have 3 spoons of sugar every day. Is that right?
No, actually, sugar, किसी भी form में sugar is bad.
Yeah, it's white poison. Right. What about soya chunks?
Soya chunks, actually their nutritive values is not much, and even they don't have the protein. If you are eating for a proteins, there is no protein, only it is good source of a fiber, so that's why you can have it.
So how should we have soya in our daily diet?
You can, there are some companies which are giving you the processed soya atta. If you are Gruha Udyog wale agar aap lete hain, to they are, I doubt they are processed it. We have to process it, and the procedure is very long. So take from us who are giving you the processed soya atta, and you can use in your roti. And even you can use a tofu, you can use a soya milk, natural soya milk, which don't have sugar.
Okay. Okay. Again ghee. I don't know. Initially, I thought
comment on a jaggery, jaggery, and see jaggery sugar and honey have the same calories. Only the jaggery chemical free and jaggery have a good option. But if we are talking about the PCOS or PCOD, jaggery and sugar is the same harmful for you.
Right. So she has answered about water. She has answered about cooking oil also already. Jaggery you mentioned. Which is the best protein powder?
Oh, there are so many companies you can use it. Nutra supplement is the best option. Then Isopure and these things, because they are really costly one. Because Nutra supplement, मैं उनके company में जाके आई हूँ, and I seen all these things. So I recommended Nutra supplement, but there are so many protein powder in the market. Because actually I'm working for a sports person, so we have to careful about this all test dopamine and all the things, dopa and all that things. So we have to careful, because 10 years से लेके हमारे पास बड़े बच्चे रहते हैं, adults रहते हैं, so we have to careful about it, and they have to take the protein powder for their performance. So we are recommended Nutra supplement only.
Right. Curry and rice have all amino acids. Is that right? Curry and rice combination is good?
No. Rice. Only rice.
Curry and rice combination.
Curry and rice, yes. All cereals and pulses, if you are mixing, then you get the all amino acids.
But that curry doesn't have pulses, cereals.
They are adding besan, na?
Oh, that's in really little.
Well, at least Punjabis and these people are means adding more besan in there. Even they are putting bhajas also there.
Oh yeah, they put bhajias. In vegetarian diet, high protein consumption like dal results in increased flatulence. How can we avoid that?
You have to soak your dal, or maybe you can soak your rajma, and that water you have to throw it, and then you have to cook it.
Okay, so it has to be thrown.
You can add a lemon when you are having this dal.
Some participant has requested other doctors not to answer the questions in the chat box because they are getting distracted by bias of statement. So please, I request everyone not to post their answers. Let let Meghna only answer all these questions. Okay, again same question about role of plastic. We've taken care, we've answered that. Low carbohydrate, high fat diet is good for PCOS and gestational diabetes. Lots of research these days. Good fats like extra virgin olive oil, desi ghee, coconut oil. Okay, that's a comment by Dr. Sonawala. All right. Other sources of protein for vegetarians, you've already answered. Vegetable oils which are high in omega-6. Oh, Dr. She's answering the questions, I think. All right. Please throw some light on keto or other type of diets in fashion these days.
Actually, these all are the fad diets you cannot follow throughout the life.
Yes.
So frankly speaking, you should do the balanced diet. Maybe it will give you the slow and steady result, but you can follow throughout the life. I'm not against of a keto diet because when some patient come to us and they have the surgery and all that things, even I am giving them a keto diet because they have to reduce weight for the surgery. And doctor literally mentioned there ki Meghna, you have to reduce a 5 kg, 6 kgs, 8 kgs in a month and all that things. That is the requirement because for the surgery. Then we and if the patient is not able to reduce the weight with the normal diet, we have to go for the keto diet. But frankly speaking, keto diet, actually I'm against over that because there is no fruits and a very low, less quantity of the vegetables and fruits is there. So the problem is what 2010, I think now the Australia and America is updated their pyramid, okay, and they first they are mentioned in first pyramid, they mentioned the 5 to 6 vegetables and fruits per day. Now they mention the 9 fruits and vegetables per day, and the reason is behind that means included fruits and vegetables. And the reason behind, they are found that there are so many increasing cases of the cancer patients, and that's why they took a decision to in case, because in America, one of my friend is working with them, and that's why I know that. So it is very important to understand the importance of the fruits and vegetables we have to take, and we cannot able to maintain throughout the life. So fat diet is a
which is sustainable. Something which is sustainable, we need to understand, we have to follow. Yeah. Can we use kachi dhani ka mustard oil for and safflower, not sunflower, safflower oil?
Hello, Vaidhi, तुझा आवाज नहीं आला मला question नहीं कळला.
What about use of safflower oil? I think not sunflower. There is one safflower oil, I think.
I'm against over this safflower oil because they are blending and all that things. I already told you when we actually we did a study with the biochemistry, and then we studied about the smoking point and this smoking point and boiling point and all that things. And in that I found we should avoid this blended oil things.
And what about refined versus filtered oil? If they're not using kachi ghani ka tel, then
filter oil is okay because they just filter it. They are not using the this thing means chemicals and all that things. But we are not sure they are in a filtering, because when we are it is come to the market, they have come with the looking things and all that things is there, and even their smell and rancidity and all that things. So I'm not sure about this filter oils, how it is benefit for us.
What about the diet for dyslipidemia? I think because she's asked about hypercholesteremia and LDL cholesterol, which is increased. These patients, what diet should they have? High cholesterol.
In which hyperlipidemia?
Yeah,
high cholesterol, hyperlipidemia.
Yeah.
Okay, first you have to do the exercise properly, and second thing is have the lots of fruits and vegetables, moderate amount of proteins and carbohydrate, and be careful about the see, if you have the only the problem with the cholesterol, no need to restrict the cholesterol from the diet. But if you have the problem of the triglyceride, then you have to check your oil things. कि आप repeated oil खा रहे हैं क्या, then sweets are you having the more, क्योंकि because sweets also have the sugary things is also give you the hyperlipidemia. So you have to think about you should cut down your sugar things, and you have to check your oil, what kind of oil
Hyperlipidemia, I
are
think
you
one thing
using.
needs to be clarified, is just not about fat, but it's also about cutting your carbohydrates. Is that right?
What?
Hyperlipidemia is just not about cutting down on fats, but it is also about cutting down on your carbohydrates, right?
Yeah, right. And quality of food. And in a carbohydrate, not like a rice and a roti. It is about the sugar and sweets and all.
Right. Correct. Okay, it is customarily said not to mix oil and ghee. Is it correct? Yes, she has not mentioned to mix oil and ghee. Any diet advice for post-COVID patients who have recovered now from COVID and having weight loss and weakness?
Okay, the first thing is very important, if they are using the lots of green leafy vegetables only, so you have to tell them to limit their green leafy vegetables. First thing. Second thing is tell them to have the lots of fruits and vegetables, because they have the good vitamins and minerals. Seeds is a good source of antioxidant. Another thing is seeds and nuts is a good source of, and high protein diet, no doubt, and this will increase the immunity. Even आपने देखा होगा कि positive patient again come back to in a positive things. So we have to increase their immunity with the fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, and with that this spices is a very good increasing their immunity. So we have to give
which spices.
First thing is in a number 1 is a cinnamon. Okay, cinnamon is the best spices. Then second is a black pepper with haldi. So these 3 spices is very important. It should be there.
Okay.
Then बाद में ginger and all that things is there.
Tell the participants how to have them, the cinnamon and the black pepper and the haldi.
You can make it a kadha. You can make it kadha, and you can add some adrak in there, means what is called as ginger, and then cinnamon, and then with black pepper and haldi. Or maybe you can make a powder, cinnamon and black pepper and haldi, and you can have it, because curcumin absorption increases when we are adding the black pepper.
Okay. Refined rice bran oil is okay?
Yeah, but rice bran oil you don't get it means cold press, because उसका procedure बहुत बड़ा है. उसके bran को जब बहुत extract करेंगे, then only you get it means oil. So I doubt, even if they are telling you कि it is a cold press oil, I doubt.
Okay. Any specific modification at light modification? I don't. Advice for thin and lean PCO patients. Do you have any advice for them? The lean PCOs.
First, they need to do the strengthening exercise. It is very important. And if they are thin, then there is a nothing related to the diet. But be careful if they are having the lots of fatty foods and sugary foods. So they have to reduce, even they are thin.
So what should they have then? Because they don't have to lose weight, but they need to modify their lifestyle. So what changes should they bring in their diet?
First thing is they have to concentrate on, they don't need to concentrate on their carbohydrate. They can have the roti, they can have the rice and everything. So they don't need to modify with the rice, but yes, they have to reduce the sugar, salty and fried things, means more oil things.
Okay.
And exercise is must.
Yes. Role of various metals of utensils and nutrition, meaning which kitchenware is good to cook.
Okay, first is very important. There are, if you heard about the surgical utensils, it is good. Even the clay utensils is good, but they are literally absorbing more oil. So I'm not preferring, even that is the good. People are, means motivate people to have that clay one. But if you are using, you know that they are absorbing more oil. Means that ते बर्तनच म्हणजे ते जे भांड आहे तेच जास्त ऍब्सॉर्ब करतं. सो देर इज ये स्टेनलेस स्टील इज द बेस्ट. डोंट यूज द अल्युमिनियम थिंग्स. आयर्न इज बेस्ट. सो यू कॅन यूज आयर्न, or maybe you can use these things, what is called as stainless steel. And
and non-stick food,
non-stick is a carcinogenic things. Don't
not to use it. Yeah. So that's what I wanted to bring out. Yeah. Any workout? Dr. Shilpa Mishra, please join tomorrow. We will talk on postmenopausal. We are going to talk of sarcopenia and everything. So join tomorrow's session. Pelvic exercises tomorrow session. Rice is important in sugar as well. If we eat in moderation, is it okay?
Yeah. It is okay. Moderation is always okay.
So actually everything in moderation is fine, right? Because we are talking about sustainable lifestyle, right? Protein powder she has already referred to. Egg is veg or non-veg? One interesting question.
वो मुर्गी पहले आई अंडा पहले आया वैसे ही क्वेश्चन है. I don't know the answer.
Actually, the bio teachers keep telling that it's a vegetarian. Actually, eggs are not non-vegetarian.
Actually,
so
frankly speaking, जो vegetarian को एक खाना होता है, they are always saying it is vegetarian. And that's why we can eat.
Jokes apart. But yes, my school friend, she's a bio teacher. She gets very angry when people call eggs as non-vegetarian because they, whatever the science says is that they are vegetarian. Okay, if high triglycerides are high, which oil should they use?
This combination is the best combination. I already told you. Even hyperlipidemia, you can use it.
So coconut oil, groundnut oil, and ghee, right?
Yeah.
Alternative.
But only coconut oil you cannot use.
Yes, alternatively. Yeah. Please advise few magical food for hot flashes for menopausal patients.
I already mentioned in my slide that there are some superfoods which you can have for a hot flashes. So.
You may not sure, maybe just quickly enumerate a few products or a few food items that they can have.
Okay, wait. So there are if you are having the like a jeera or dhania powder and all that things, that is the good source of. Even you can add the pudina and lemon in that. Even there are some these things. One recipe I will going to share with you. Recipe. It is not a recipe. It is a water. So what you can do, you can have a dhania, coriander, and you just wash it properly and take a 1 liter of water, and you just add this dhania whole things and make it half an hour, half liter. Okay, and
boil it.
Boil it and cool it, and then you can have a whole day. आपका पूरा hot flushes चला जाएगा.
So only, you mean only fresh coriander water which is boiled and reduced to half?
वाला जितना बन जाता है ना, that is, there is no this thing, means you cannot means proper proportion is not there.
No, I got it, but in water you put in dhania patti and boil it and reduce it to approximately.
Not dhania patti, even their roots also you have to wash properly.
The entire stick.
You have to put it in that water. You have to boil it and you have cool it and you have for whole day.
So do you need to add any spice in that or only dhania and water?
No. Only if you want, you can add a salt, little bit of.
Okay,
salt.
So that's a very good tip for our menopausal patients also. Hypothyroid patients, can they have high proteins? Hypothyroids?
Yes.
They can have. Which rice, when you say white rice is good, which rice is good? Basmati, brown rice, surti, kola, Bombay Moor, which rice is good?
Any rice you can have. What are the difference between the brown rice and red rice and all? Red rice have the chromium, and that's why. And brown rice is difficult to digest because they have a high fiber. That's it. But if you are eating in your moderation, if you are eating in your calories things, then everything is okay.
Yeah.
So don't
as long as it's fitting into your caloric requirement.
Once in a while we can have this red rice, brown rice and black rice, but regular basis it is not possible for us. Yeah. So be practical.
Okay, what about coconut oil? Any coconut oil or separately edible coconut oil?
Virgin coconut oil, cold press oil only.
So we have to look for, that is important, all oils have to be cold pressed. Okay. Which vegetable, someone wants you to mention the vegetable protein powder name again.
That is the pea protein powder, and you will get it in Amazon things. I will going to launch the vegetarian protein powder.
You should have launched today, Meghna. You had good audience of 350 people today, more than that. Why didn't you launch today?
Okay. So I will going to launch this. This is my own patent, so it will be
fine. So Meghna has her own website. It is Red Apple Wellness, right?
No, it is Meghna Kumre only. My
Achha,
website
Meghna
is
Kumre.
Meghna Kumre. If you
Okay,
are
so once
search,
she
you will
launches,
get
you
it.
can just visit her website and get all the
And
information
you can
there.
put your questions over there also. I will answer.
Right. What is A2 milk?
A2 milk means मैं हिंदी में बोलूँ क्या, मैं जल्दी से बोल सकूंगी क्योंकि उसको
ठीक है।
एक्सप्लेन करना इज डिफिकल्ट. एक्चुअली वो गावरानी जो गाय होती है वो होती है, एंड उसके ऊपर हम्प जो होता है हर गाय, तो वो थोड़ा मोटा होता है. दैट इज लाइक बड़ा ये होता है, हम्प होता है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वहाँ पे अपने जो विटामिन डी के मतलब अपने जो रेज होते हैं सन के, वो वहाँ पे पेनिट्रेट होते हैं, एंड दैट मिल्क इज गुड. एंड दे आर नॉट, जो A2 मिल्क अभी जो सेल आउट कर रहे हैं, they are not giving any hormonal injections to them.
Basically, these are not New Jersey cows. You know, they are Gir cows.
Gir
In
Gaon, yes.
Indian Ayurveda, it mentions that these are actually medicinal. It has medicinal milk value. So those are A2 milk, which you source from Gir Gaon. Okay, the Gir cows. Okay, not the New Jersey cows are supposed to be poison according to Ayurveda. Okay. Similarly, giving tadka, we use butter or ghee and cumin seeds for dairy products means butter. I don't know. Kuthe madam, the question please puna taka kaila nahi. Protein powder, she has answered. She's launching very soon. You can see her website, check it out. Diet to reduce uric acid.
Uric acid.
Yeah.
Yeah, nowadays there is no concept about you have to reduce your protein intake and all that things. What you need it, you have to take it, because otherwise you lose your muscles. So drink lots of water, make it your body alkaline. That is the best way, but don't reduce your protein things. Yes, if you're having the chicken or you having the fish, you should in a limited quantity, because you can't eat like 300 and 400 grams and all. You have to reduce it, no doubt, but there is no need to restrict your protein intake. You have to take your protein intake, otherwise you will lose your muscles.
Okay, right. Pelvic exercises, attend tomorrow. Any special diet for endometriosis? I don't think. Endometriosis, any diet for that?
No.
How much coffee can we have? I think Dr. Padmavati belongs to South India. So can you just tell them how much coffee can they have?
Two teaspoon, small one, huh? Small one, 2 teaspoon you can have. But if you have the sleeping issue,
talking about the filtered coffee, because Padmavati means she must be from South India, so they have filtered
coffee. So you can have, but if you have the insomnia problem, then you should not have coffee after 4 o'clock.
Okay. What about stevia? Can you throw some light on that? Whether it's an artificial sweetener, is it safe?
Stevia is a very good sweetness. It is a plant-based, but be careful, because who are using the stevia powder, they are using a lots of these things, means what is like chemical reactions and all processing, because they have the very bitter taste with the good taste. It is a sweetener, but with that they have the very bad bitter taste. So they have to, because उनका product भी sale होना चाहिए, so they are using a lots of chemicals. And but Organic India stevia is quite good. Fab India is quite good. So you can use this stevia.
Even Zevik has no stevia?
I don't think so.
Yeah, it has. Zevik has stevia.
I don't know that.
Okay, fine. Keto diet already mentioned. Which oil should we use for puris? For frying, that's what they want to know.
Which oil?
Which oil to be used for puri? That means for frying. Which oil?
Any cold press oil, don't use the coconut oil, no doubt. But you can use any cold press oil. Even refined oil se bhi अच्छा होता है cold press oil. So you can use cold press oil. Sunflower cold press oil is best.
Okay. Please tell what should be eaten in the morning empty stomach, and what is the best time to have fruits?
Fruits you should have in an empty stomach, means it should be gap, because usme jo bhi vitamins and minerals is there, they need enzymes. So, and then their absorption is quite good. So because of this, you have to eat in an empty stomach, means there should be gap 1 hour or 1.5 to 2 hours. 2 hours is the best option, because our SCL going to produce again. So 2 hours gap is good. When we are talking about what we have to eat in empty stomach, go for the one anjeer or one date, or if you don't want to that, then you can have the soaked walnuts or soaked badam.
Okay.
What we used to.
Okay. What diet advice for knee lubrication and swelling? Is there any specific diet?
If you can try haldi water, it is the best option. You will find out some results if you are having the haldi water.
Okay. What is Zevik?
It is
Zevik is a company.
anti-inflammatory. Actually, it is anti-inflammatory. That's why.
Haldi.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is Zevik? Zevik is a company which.
Company, हाँ, कुछ
yeah,
नहीं है.
it's the name of the company which makes stevia and chocolates.
And
which
Zevik spelling
diet
is
friendly.
Z-A-V-I-K.
ZEVIC, I think, right?
K है.
Okay, fine. Soya granule, she has already explained. What is the nutritive benefit of mushrooms?
Mushrooms have a good protein. There are lots of antioxidant and they have some amino acids. So it is a really a good option.
Good food item. Soya grains can be made into flour. First of all, should they have soya grains, and how can it be made into soya flour?
I don't understand what.
Soya grains can be made into a soya flour.
Yeah, we can, but there is a very long procedure, so
yeah.
don't try at home.
Actually, the processing is little tedious. Can be done at home, but otherwise better to
you can
source.
Buy online things.
Make sure it is a processed soybean flour. That's all. Yeah. Patient of lactose intolerance, what diet will you suggest for pregnant?
They have to reduce. They don't have the milk products. You can have like you can add means paneer and curd and all, but don't have the means milk.
Yeah,
that's it.
Yeah, can you throw some light on that? Typically in Indian families, people avoid, especially post delivery and post surgery, they will avoid rice, baigan, and potatoes. So any specific reason behind that?
No reason.
No reason, right?
These all are the myths.
Yeah, right. If we throw soaked dal water, won't we lose the nutrients? Did you ask them to throw soaked dal water? No, she did not. That was only for flatulence.
Because of flatulence.
Only for flatulence, not otherwise. Yeah. Okay. Can we mix white rice and foxtail millet to reduce the glycemic index? Basically, to reduce glycemic index, what all can you use in milk?
No. Both have the glycemic index. Only the little bit of 19-20 ka difference hai. So you have to add the protein only in that.
Okay. Suggest square meal for PCOD case on a regular basis.
Bapra, that is the
biggest question. It will be a very long question, yeah. Okay. Tomorrow's link, many people are asking us about tomorrow's link. After this question and answer, we'll share one number. We have already shared in the chat box, but we'll again show that number. Please send your name and phone number and send a message on that number, WhatsApp message on that number that you want to be added in the broadcast list. You will get the link for tomorrow's session as well, because it's difficult to paste here the link. What measures can we for hair fall? Any specific tips for hair fall?
Biotin, you have to increase your protein intake as well as biotin intake, but biotin supplement is the best option.
Okay, right. Recording, yes, this is being recorded and will be uploaded in maybe 3 to 4 days time. You can find this session on our website. Consumption of lot of fruits also raises blood sugars. So tell us about fruits with low glycemic index. So which fruits basically we should have?
I'm against of this. Yes, banana is a high glycemic index, and then this what is called as mango is a glycemic. If you are having in a moderate amount, it is fine. Have it. Even diabetic patient, we are giving the mango and banana to them.
But how to decide what is moderate? For me, one banana can be moderate.
Yes, one banana, one slice of mango. If you are having the mango juice, then there is a problem.
Yeah, right. Any diet to increase hemoglobin in a 52-year-old male patient with low ferritin levels?
What is your question?
Diet to increase hemoglobin with low ferritin levels.
Acha. If you want, you can make one juice. I'm telling you one juice that is very good for this, because you are always listening कि beet खाओ फिर आपका hemoglobin बढ़ता है. Beet में iron नहीं है, beet में folic acid है actually. So if you are having the beet juice, you have to add their leaves. They have folic acid as well as iron intake.
Okay.
So if you want to make a little bit of a spinach is there and lemon and beet juice with the leaves, then that is the best thing. And even arif, don't forget about the
So non-Maharashtrians may
cress.
not know about harif. So harif are, they look like black pills.
Garden grass.
Huh?
So garden grass, you have to soak
Garden
it.
grass,
You
okay.
can add a lemon, or you can make a kheer from
Yes.
that.
Yes.
And there are some recipes available in YouTube, so you can check out that things.
Yes.
And you can add arif. If you are having the arif, your hemoglobin level will be increased.
Yes, yes. All Maharashtrian families would know. All delivered women get doses, high doses of Arif food items. Arif ka laddu, Arif ka kheer. All Maharashtrians have. I'm Naina. As you said, sugar is poison. So can we replace it with jaggery?
Yes, yes.
Does coconut oil is coconut oil rich in saturated fats? Is it good for fatty liver?
Yeah, they have saturated fat, but it is a MCT, medium chain triglyceride. It is really absorbed directly in the liver, and it is very easy to absorb.
Okay. And with cinnamon, someone wants to know, with cinnamon.
Cinnamon is spice.
Any spice, yeah, actually. I don't know which foods to be avoided. Again, link for tomorrow. Please send a message. We'll be sharing our office number very soon. Please send a message to that number that you want to be added in our broadcast list. Any tips for constipation, to avoid constipation?
Yeah, you have to take the high protein diet. Not a high protein diet, high fiber diet. And then eat lots of fruits and vegetables, and water content. Check your water content.
Yes.
And don't have the milk and milk products. Only curd you can have in the constipation, because if you are having the paneer, constipations is severe. So avoid paneer.
Yes. Again, soya atta, she's already mentioned there's a lot of processing required for making the atta. So please buy processed food. Compliments for you, Meghna. Nice presentation, nice discussion. Again, a request for ID password very soon. Please stay back. We'll be sharing our phone number soon after this session. You just have to send a WhatsApp message to us. Fresh dhania, you take eating millets. Just give me 1 minute. Yes, recording will be done. It will be uploaded in a day or two, maybe 2 to 3 days time. Any food for migraine, and which food should we avoid for migraine?
Actually, for a migraine, you should avoid the chocolates and a coffee. All caffeine things, you have to avoid it. So chocolates and a coffee you should avoid. And there is no food things for a migraine. You should only avoid this chocolates and caffeine things.
Right. And clarify these things about olive oil. People think when they have olive oil means it's very healthy. See, but which can be cooked, which cannot be cooked.
Acha, first understand we are Indian, don't use olive oil. Because olive oil, again, very rapidly rancid. When you are buying the olive oil, it should be in a glass container or maybe tin container. And while they are processing olive oil, they go through lots of chemical things, and then they again rancid it, because it is very rapidly rancid with the air. And that's why they again have to process. They have to again keep it in. If you are using the plastic bottle of olive oil, then there is a useless, because you are using expensive oil because of your health. But if it is not get the benefit, then there is no questions to buy that things. So forget about olive oil. There is no need to have the olive oil. Our cold press oil, our coconut oil, our ghee is the best option.
Kachi khani ka tel you recommend, right? That means.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tomato seeds and cabbage effect in gout. Can you tell us?
In a gout?
In gout, should they avoid tomato seeds and cabbage?
No. There is no need.
Okay, Meghna, can you just repeat your website once again? Meghna Kumre.
Yeah, Meghna Kumre. If you are searching Meghna Kumre, www.meghnakumre, you will get it.
So it's MEGHANA, Meghna Kumre, KUMRE. Okay?
MARE.
It's MARE. So it's KUMARE. Can you please note down? It is MEGHANA, KUMARE. It's Meghna Kumre. Okay, Shivangi, I just request you, or Rajasi, can you just type it in the chat box? People can note down from there.
Yes, ma'am, I have written it in the chat box.
Yeah, so she's posted in the chat box. Please note from there. Is microwave cooking safe?
No, it is not safe. You have to stop to using a microwave. It is a carcinogenic, and there are so many studies is available. Don't use it. And
really?
even if you are using, you have to keep maintain the distance at least 1 meter, because that rays is so much strong and nutritive values is not remain the same. Even they are adding that they are doing the ad like आपकी nutrition value is the same and all that things. But frankly speaking, you can use the OTG, but don't use microwaves.
Oh my God! At this point of time, I would like to bring in our chairperson, Silva Madam. Are you there? Silva Ma'am, are you there? Because she's a very senior professor, and we call her a jhatpat chef of our society. She gives us such quick recipes on microwave, and she's amazing. So her recipes are really popular. So I thought if she can just comment. She's not there. I think maybe she's logged out by mistake. Okay, what is the best time to have milk?
Milk.
I'm not recommending milk because lactose enzyme, after 5 years, we don't have the lactase enzymes, sorry. So we should avoid the milk. So there is no rule for the milk.
So lactase is not there with us after 5 years of age. Is that what you mean? Okay, so we should substitute with milk products.
Milk products you can have because हम लोग lactic acid में इसको convert करते हैं ना. That's why milk you can have. Okay. Milk products you can have, not milk.
Dr. Sumati, haldi is turmeric. She wanted to know what is haldi.
Yeah.
Haldi is turmeric. Should skin of almonds be removed?
Skin, yes. There are so many studies is there. There are some phytates, so you have to reduce. Their absorption is quite good, so you have to remove the skin and you can have.
What about frozen food? What about their nutritive content?
Zero. only non-vegetarian frozen food have their protein level is maintaining, but fruits and vegetables don't have.
Okay, so coriander leaf or seeds, she mentioned it is coriander, not only leaves, the entire stick of coriander leaf. Okay, not just that.
With the roots.
Yeah. Should we buy alkaline water machine?
I'm not clear about that because there are very controversial things about the alkaline water. So I don't want to comment it right now unless I don't get the proper research paper on that.
Darpana Bajaj Jyoti Janvas, the notification is only for doctors, okay? This session is for public awareness. So if you are doctors, you can note down the number. It's there in the chat box, and we'll be also displaying that number again. Send a WhatsApp message to the number with your name and phone number saying that you want to be added in our broadcast list. So this notification is only for doctors because our sessions are only medical sessions. So they are not useful for non-doctors. Today's session is public awareness. So you all were invited actually. Specific fruits to be avoided in diabetes.
There is actually people are saying, even the dietitian is saying that you should avoid the like banana and mango and chiku, but if your sugar is in a control, then you can have that, but it should be in a quantity. Means only the ऐसे नहीं हो सकता है कि afternoon में 1 banana खाया and evening में 1 mango भी खा लिया. So you have to 100 grams means banana or mango you can have in a day, but if your HbA1c 7.8 or something is there, then you have to avoid these 3 foods.
Yeah. Meghna, what is the English name for Ariv?
Garden cress.
Garden
cress.
Can you spell it?
CREAS. Double S आएगा शायद.
CRESS. Garden cress. You can Google it. It is garden cress, or you can type Ariv. Ariv or garden cress. Okay, they're really high in iron. Okay. What about use of honey and jaggery instead of sugar? Can you
CRESS? It is a CRESS.
Okay, garden cress. Okay, all of you must source it. It has to be cleaned well. Only that one important thing, and they have to be soaked before you use them. Okay.
Yes.
What about use of honey and jaggery?
You can sugar use in tea. Option instead of using the white sugar.
No, in tea. In tea. What about sugar and honey in tea?
Green tea is good. It is an antioxidant, but no need to have the 5 and 6 cups of a green tea. So 1 to 2 is fine, and you can add sugar if you means honey or jaggery you can add. But if
Jaggery.
you want if you are doing the weight loss program or something, then you should avoid jaggery or honey.
Okay, jaggery can be used in diabetes?
No.
No. So all anything that tastes sweet should be avoided, right? As simple. And how to make roti with soybean? Should it be mixed with wheat?
Yeah.
It has to be mixed with wheat?
Yes.
Any specific
बनेगी नहीं क्योंकि वो bind नहीं होता है. It is not. हाँ. For a binding we need add some atta in there.
Okay, oils again. She has already explained about combination of oils, so we'll not repeat. Alkaline water. She has mentioned that she has no specific information about that. Is cooking in air fryer safe?
I actually find out some research paper. It is not good because it is again the carcinogenic. But I have I have a doubt actually.
Air fryer is carcinogenic.
I found only the one research paper on that, and that was saying.
So we are not very sure. Yeah.
But I'm not sure.
Yeah, again,
I don't know technically what they are using. Just I know that microwave is not this because I already found so many research paper on that. Yeah. But air fryer, I only find one research paper.
Yeah, doctors, please stay back. I'm going to share the number. In the meanwhile, you can scroll the chat box. Our secretary, madam, has posted our message, the message of notification number in the chat box. Or otherwise, stay back. We are going to show it again. Non-stick ware, she has already mentioned not to be used. If we heat refrigerated food, will the nutrients be lost?
No. There is a no. बहुत ही ज़्यादा लंबा अगर आप करते हैं 15 days and 20 days then only. But refrigerator से there is a no relation with the nutrition values loss. Only cooking, yes, like vitamin C. It is a evaporating with when the food is evaporate, vitamin C is also goes. But otherwise,
any specific cooking is the thing. Any specific food to be avoided in hypothyroids and renal calculus?
Yeah, there are so many foods which you should avoid, like a soya bean and then cabbage and then these things, cauliflower.
2 minutes सांगून दे ना मी.
But actually, the thing is, if soybean is processed and this food, you cannot eat one. Means you cannot eat soya chunks with cabbage. Cauliflower, what we are using in pulao and all that things. You can once in a while. It is not like you should totally restricted with that this food. But you should in a less quantity first. And second thing is don't जो भी आपको मिलते हैं, मतलब that food you have to eat only. You can pick one thing and you can have it.
Okay, haldi water, can you please explain how to have?
Haldi water, it is very simple. You can put it in a water and you can put some haldi in there, soaked for 15 minutes and you can have it.
Okay, so no need to boil and just dissolve.
No need to boil it. And if you want, add a pinch of a black pepper powder in there.
Okay. Milk, you said not to be taken, but it is rich in calcium. Then what to do?
You can have the milk and milk product that is also rich of calcium. No need to have the
milk powder.
We don't have the lactase enzymes. It is difficult to digest. Why you want milk?
Okay. Which fruit should not be kept in the refrigerator?
No, there is
nothing. What about nutritive value of dehydrated food which are vacuum packed?
There is no nutrition value. They are adding extra nutrition values like a fortified things.
Fortified.
There, if they are selling out like a tomatoes, then they are adding something, chopped tomatoes and all that. But there is no nutritive values.
Yeah, doctor friends who are asking me for the numbers to be shared, don't post your numbers in the chat box. Dr. Rajyasree Sengupta, our honorary secretary, has posted a message at 6:29 in the chat box. Scroll the chat box at 6:29. She has just shared a message about the notification and phone number. So please don't post in the chat box. We won't be able to take these numbers from here. Okay. Gluten and wheat is diabetes. Just 4-5 questions, okay? Last few
please.
What about dates and khajur? Is it healthy? Can it be recommended for diabetic
Yeah,
patients?
it is a healthy, but they have the carbohydrate. But yes, you can have for your these things. Means if you have the iron deficiency, you can make dates chutney with imli, and little bit of when you are having at the time, you just added some drops of a lemon in there. So
Yeah,
you will get the vitamin C and iron and all that things.
yeah. I will take just two questions now. Males using soybean. Can males use soybean as it depresses testosterone? Soybean, can they have males?
No, that is yeah,
Oh.
that is a myth.
And any idea about sanitization of food in UV chambers?
Yeah, there are some companies which nowadays are providing the sanitizing which are useful for the fruits and vegetables. You can use that.
Yeah. And tomato to be cooked for getting its benefits, or raw tomato has its benefits?
Raw tomato is useful because they have the good vitamin C,
Okay.
and vitamin C and lycopene is also there. So you have to eat the raw tomatoes.
Good. So actually, I know it was a very long Q&A for you, but it just goes to say that this session was highly successful because it was extremely interactive and people had so many questions. I know you're tired. It's been a long session. Thank you so much, Meghna. It was absolutely wonderful.
I'm extremely sorry, but literally now.
That's fine. So yes, you take a break till we do other announcements, and then till that time, just scroll through the chat box. You will get loads of compliments for you. So that will be a good mood booster for you, although you're tired.
Thank you so much, Vedhi.
And
Thank
I
you so
hand over
much.
the further proceedings. Shivangi, please display the slides so that Rajasi can go ahead with the with the announcements and the vote of thanks also.
Yes.
MacProt, yeah.
Just a moment, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am? No?
Not yet.
No.
Taking time. Go up. It says send off slideshow.
Yes.
Just scroll. Maybe don't make it go to slideshow. Just scroll this slide because it will save time.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I'm saying don't go to slideshow.
Okay. But I'm not getting the slide. Just a moment, ma'am. Yes. So this is the number. Participants, please take a screenshot of this number.
Rajasi?
Yes.
Rajasi?
It was a wonderful interactive session. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I now request Dr. Rajasi Sengupta, Secretary NOGS 2021, to propose the vote of thanks.
Rajasi? Where is she? I think she got logged out or what?
Okay.
No. Where she's there? Just show the other slide till then.
I couldn't unmute myself, unfortunately.
Yeah, Rajasi.
Yeah. Over to you, Rajasi.
Thank you, Shivangi. It was a wonderful session, Meghna. Absolutely amazing. It seems people were hungry and you gave them a good diet. So thank you so much. You have so well covered all the points, all the aspects, right from pregnancy, PCOD, and also women above 40 years. These are the very common entities which we encounter every day in our day-to-day practice. And I'm sure doctors as well as the non-doctors who have logged in today must have greatly benefited from the lot of knowledge that you have poured in these last 2 hours. Thank you so much. Really appreciate. I would like to thank our chairpersons for the session today, Dr. Sulabha Joshi madam and Dr. Shantala Bhore ma'am for their inputs. Dr. Shantala Bhore, thank you so much for introducing our speaker today. We would like to thank MacLeod's the makers of Macprot protein powder, for being the educational sponsors for this event.
Shivangi, slide change.
And special thanks to Dr. Shivangi Jagirdar for smoothly conducting today's session in her usual sweet style. Thank you, Shivangi, for that.
Always
Tomorrow,
sweet.
dear doctors, we have one session scheduled under the NutriFest week. This is by a team, a trio of doctors, IAS team. That is Dr. Imran, Dr. Amol Kadu, and Dr. Sadashiv Bhore. The talk is titled Think Inches, Not Kilos. We would be sharing the details of the ID and password through our broadcast list. So, dear doctors, whoever of you wishes to log in and get future notifications of our DGO-GAN online CME, please send us your name and mobile number on this number, which is being flashed on your screen right now. The number is 93566 32671. This is our office number, so we'll add you to our broadcast list and we shall notify you of our future online CME.
Yeah, and friends, this is only for doctors, huh? Just mention because there are lots of non-doctors today.
Yes, please. This is specifically for doctors, so you don't want to get lost in all the technical jargon. So this is not for non-medicals. And thank you so much to all the participants who have been with us. Meghna, you have had a whopping house full of more than 340, 350. So thank you. That just speaks how well you conducted and your popularity. Thank you so much once again for participants, for being with us, for always encouraging and supporting us with your feedback. We wish to have more of you always on our DGO-GAN online CMEs and wish you all a very good evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone, for participating in this wonderful session. Thank you, Vaidehi ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. Okay, tata, bye-bye for now. See you soon.
Yeah, thank you, Rajesh. Shivangi, you did a great job. Shelly, this number is only for doctors. So non-doctors, please don't send any messages for notifications. It won't be of any use for you because we'll be discussing so many other things, related to doctors. So it won't be of any use to you. All right. So thank you so much. Thank you, Meghna. Once again, ekdam successful session ho gaya. And I couldn't believe when we had more than 350 participants logged in for your session. So that was amazing. So thanks once again, and bye-bye. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Shivangi, mast kelas.
Thank you. Lovely, Meghna ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
तू तर मला हार्टबीट मध्ये वाढवून दिले स्क्रीन शेअर नव्हतं हो तुझं तर
माझेच वाढले बाकीच्यांचं
मी म्हटलं ही राहते तिकडे मेडिकल कॉलेजला माझ्या हॉस्पिटल पर्यंत पोहोचायला 15-20 मिनिटं लागतील आता कसंच करायचं
मॅम चांगलंय ना थोडे कॅलरीज बर्न झाले ना
आणि आय वॉज लाईक की मला माहितीये मी इतके कॉन्फिडंट होते की
आणि मी ओरडले बरं मीला थोडी रागवली मेघना काय 10 मिनिटं आधी अगं मी केलाय माझं होणार आहे चेक मी सकाळी झूमवर चेक केलाय मी म्हटलं नाही न करणार पडता नेमकं तसंच झालं मला वाटतं चहा तर पिऊ दे थांब ना चहा तर अगं तू लॉग इन कर पहिले स्क्रीन शेअर
चलो ओके होता है
मजा आहे तेवढा 10 मिनिटं मला असे हार्टबीट्स फास्ट झाले ना बापरे आता सेशनचं कसं करायचं तिचा प्रॉब्लेम झाला किती आपण केलं ते
कालचं कॅन्सल झालं त्याच्यानंतर आज असं झालं तर मग किती टेन्शन येणार
काल काही प्रॉब्लेम झाला का
अगं काल आपण कॅन्सल नाही केलं का
हा पोस्टपोन केलं हा कालचं पोस्टपोन झालं मला वाटलं कुठलं तुझं काल सेशन होतं या राईट
काल तसं म्हटलं आता दुसरं करते तर त्याच्यामध्ये पण प्रॉब्लेम येते म्हटलं बापरे आता तर कठीणच
राईट चलो थँक्यू सो मच
मॅम
बाय राजश्री बाय
बाय सी यू ओके बाय
थोडासा